Where am I going? I'm leaving this palace for good now. Have any of you seen this kind of king's palace before? No in the elders meeting. No peace, no love in the community. A few days ago, I almost got blind. Ikena has gone. Chidiago's mother and sister are locked up in the palace cell. Trouble everywhere. See, it is better for me to leave. The queen is lying dead in her room. Before you know it now, the king will call me. Amobi! Come over here. Come and help me go and bury my mother. Please, I'm not ready for it at all. Let me leave. When the real king comes back to the palace, I'll come back and walk. But for now, I have to go to my father's house and relax before anything bad happens to me again. Please, I'm done. Thank you.
What are we still doing here? Let's go and pack our things and leave this place. Oh. I heard that the villagers are coming here because of Mama Chidiogo and the sister. Eh? Let's go and pack our things and leave it before we get hot.
See, calm down. Eh? We won't leave just like that.
Okay.
Yes, they have been paying us and leaving the palace just like that won't be okay. Yes, I know that the king is not the biological son of the queen. But would you blame a woman who married and never had a child? Yes, the queen did a lot of wrongs, but at least let's be humans. Eh? Please.
I look like animal, but let's be humans. Eh? Ugomma, all of a sudden you have just Ibugo a preacher. You are now a preacher all of a sudden. I won't stay here. What am I doing here? The queen is dead, and very soon her body will start decaying. Since they hold the community hostage, nobody comes in as usual. Let us go. You know what? You can stay here. Marry the king. As for me, I am living here. I'm living here.
The king will eat and need someone for assistance. Please, let's not go at least for a few days. Please, I beg of you.
So I should stay?
Yes, please.
It's because of you. It's because of you. Because me, I'm tired of all this drama happening.
I know.
Where are Ikenna and Amobi?
Ikenna left few days ago and Amobi left this morning, Your Highness.
Without my consent?
Yes, Your Highness. They have all gone, and we both are also planning on leaving, Your Highness.
I see.
Your Highness, please, Your Highness, release Chidiogo's mother and her sister. Let them go home. The things we are hearing is not too good. And we are even scared of our lives. Please, Your Highness.
You have nothing to worry about. Okay? I'm still the king. Nothing will happen to both of you. Take this. Release the woman and her child.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Your Majesty, what am I hearing?
I can't believe the news has spread like that.
Even children are talking about it. The entire community, in fact, everybody's making merry. I don't understand. How can a community be celebrating the death of the queen of this kingdom? I've never seen this kind of thing before.
Simply means there's more trouble. Let's talk it. The queen needs to be buried immediately. Her body is still in her room. I got a local mortician to take care of the body. What do we do?
Your Majesty, you see what I was saying? If you and the queen had listened to me earlier and conferred me with this Onowu title, this would not have been a problem. I would have used my powers as Onowu and ensured her burial smooth and simple, without any hassles. Now, where do we start? Yeah? Going to see her people would be a waste of time. And of course, calling the council of elders and waiting for them to gather is another waste of time. Okay, Your Majesty, why don't we just buy a casket, bury her immediately, and then plan other things?
I disagree. She was a queen. Yes. Her husband, the king, married her traditionally. She must be respected. Yes, even in death. So I disagree. I say we inform her people, call her brothers, tell them, or we go to her father's place. But we must do the needful. Also, we need to get people to dig her grave. And we have to do all these things quickly. Else, if my brothers get here, I know them, they'll start making trouble. It might become difficult to bury her. Uguabata is still in the mortuary.
Right, Your Majesty. In that case, let us start running around for these things. Upgrading that bookie, you can bring them to dig the grave immediately and then do the needful.
Wait. I will not go with you. My driver is not here. My driver is gone. All my boys are gone and the king cannot be seen driving. So, as you leave, just send your account details to me. I'll send you money, okay? So you can handle everything. If you have any issues, call me. Let me know.
When a child is told what killed his father, if time is not taken, that same thing that killed the father will kill him. That woman has truncated a lot in this community. In fact, she was the worst queen that ever came out of this palace. She brought in a borrowed blood to sit as our king. And she succeeded by her charms and voodoo. Now, what is happening?
She showed us how strong a woman can be, but in the wrong way. Ichiokaka, I understand everything you've said. But the fact still remains that she is the wife to our late Igwe. We must go and see her body and plan on how to bury her. That is it.
To fear again. Are you not an elder in this community? What that woman did is a taboo. What we need to do is to see Uzondo and his brother and plan on how to get that borrowed blood out of the palace.
Ichiokaka, I understand all the things you are saying. But the fact still remains, who will bury Lolo Agunwa? That is it.
Go and call your Umunna to bury her. Are you not an elder in this community? If that idiot buries her before Uguabata,
we must go and remove her body from the palace. Let him not try it. That Ichiokafor is a very useless man. The same reason he went to the prison and stayed for 7 good years. I am not surprised to hear that he was the one that has been supporting that this woman and the borrowed son. He got some ndugu and buried her like Nkita. Imagine life. But we must exhume her body and bury her in the evil forest. That is where she deserves to be buried. Because she desecrated our sacred royal throne.
It is an insult on all of us that this thing happened right under our nose. At the point of Oma defeated that evil woman, we should have been alerted and her body would have been thrown out. But now, she is buried beside the king. It is not going to be like that. I will concur with Iche Okaka.
But let me ask you, has it ever happened that someone was exhumed from the royal vault? Because why I'm saying this is that I don't want anything that will bring the wrath of the gods on us.
Well, it has not happened before, at least to the best of my knowledge. No one has ever committed such an abomination in Akawa land. No one. We warned the king not to marry that woman from Mbamiri. But what did he do? He went ahead. Now see what it has cost this land. See it? Huh? But in my own opinion, I will suggest that we forget about the exhuming and focus more on retrieving that stool.
Can't we retrieve the stool without doing the necessary cleansing?
My orders, please. Please. I need us to understand that this battle has already been won. We are winning. This woman we are talking about is gone. We have settled her matter. The only thing remaining now is that illegal son she imposed on us, who is still seated there. I need to remind us all that every step we've taken up till this point has been directed from the gods. And we need to keep asking it of the gods so as to know our next move. As for the body, if it results that we have to exhume it, we will exhume it. We will. Nothing will stop us. But for now, please.
My people, I'm of the opinion that we should just leave her grave and let her rest. Instead of, exhuming her body and throwing it at the evil forest. I mean, the gods have already given us the grace to be victorious. So why are we trying to overstep our boundaries?
Allow her to rest for what? What are you talking about? What is this? A woman that made us to suffer? A woman that made Mama took us away from the palace? She accused Mama wrongly. This woman made us to suffer. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten how we suffered? And eventually Mama died. And you're here saying we should allow her to rest. Allow her to rest for what? There's no peace for the wicked. We are going to exhume that body. No peace for the wicked.
Is that enough reason to raise your voice on me? Huh?
Then what are you saying?
Am I not entitled to my own opinion?
My brother, your opinion is not valuable. Your opinion is not valid. You cannot bring that to your opinion in this kind of discussion. No, it's not allowed. You can say that. Ugabata is lying there in the mortuary and you're here talking rubbish. What are you saying? We cannot do that. Like I said, no peace for the wicked. We're going to exhume the body and burn it to ashes. How can you go back to exhume somebody from the royal vault? That does not make sense. We will exhume that body and burn that body to ashes. No peace for the wicked, like I said. We're not going to do that. We must exhume the body. That means after exhuming the body and burning the body to ashes, you still carry the ashes and they go and maybe grind it. We'll find the river and throw the ashes. Yes, we'll find the river and throw the ashes. No. What I'm trying to tell you is this. It's very simple. It's like killing a rat. After killing a rat. No, it's not going to happen like that. No, you kill that body. You go and throw the rat away, or you open the ground and put the rat inside your compound. Is there any body the ground inside again? Your compound? The rat will bring the rat again, and you perceive the smell. It's not going to happen. You throw them inside the bush, forest, and burn that forest even. See, you know why I'm saying this? Let us not go and do something that we will do tomorrow, and the gods will be against us. The wrath of the gods will be against us. The eyes of the gods are watching us. The eyes of the gods are watching us. The powers of our ancestors are with us. They know what we are doing. So calm down.
My brothers, please bring it down.
No, I don't understand what he's saying. You understand later. But I'm entitled to my own opinion. Am I not entitled to my own opinion? Do you understand? So I want to make it. No, it's not why you should be shouting. Shouting what? Shouting what? Shouting what? Okay, let me whisper. Are you okay now?
It's okay. This does not.
So let me cheer one. Yeah. If not that I'm the one that remain suck breast and remain for you, what would I have done now? Even outside, if they hear you, they will be like,
until you do that.
This does not call for raising voices at each other. It doesn't. Your brother has the right to air his mind.
And I have my right too.
Of course. So let's not castigate him for saying what he feels like.
But there is peace for the wicked.
Indeed, there is no peace for the wicked. But don't forget that I lost my own father as well.
Oh!
We've become victorious to it. We've won. So I don't see the reason why we should be raising voices at each other. The question we should be asking now is, when are we going to see Agoba? So that he can direct us and give us the final way forward.
How did Lola Gonwa die? I'm still in shock. She said to me directly that no woman can kill her.
Maybe it was the gods that killed her and not human. That woman was very mean and wicked. She doesn't have value for human life. She should have been created as a man because her heart is very strong.
She has been the one controlling everything in that palace. The king is just there for nothing. That woman is directing everything. I'm sure by now, she might have handed all the late king's fortune to that her son.
Her fake son, you mean? When we are done, every of our father's property will be surrendered to us. So he had better start looking for his parents or his family. But I don't even know anything about it. He should better go and look for his people. Because you see this place, there is no space for him.
That's impossible. He has been there since childhood. Where will he go? Nowhere.
Who cares? He's not a family member of AGUIKE. That imposter does not even have father and mother. And we don't even know anything about him. We don't even know if Lola adopted him or she stole the baby. We don't even know anything about. So he should better find his way.
Your Majesty, what are you talking about?
Look, sometimes I feel stupid and foolish just coming close to you. Is this how to be a man? Stand up and be a man and face your responsibilities. Let me tell you something. Your mother, Lola Agoma, handed over everything the late king had. Everything she handed over to you. Whatever anybody says, anything any idiot is saying out there, you are the first son of this royal household. You are. So stand up and face your responsibilities. Yeah? Do not be intimidated by anybody. No! Stand up and face everything. Be a man. That is how kings are made. Yes!
I don't think you understand the point.
What is the point?
I'm not afraid of anybody.
Good.
I'm not scared of anybody.
Oh.
I will never be. Everybody's gone. All my workers gone, my driver, everybody, all the people loyal to me are gone. And to some extent, it's understandable. We need men in the cabinet. We need people.
Your Majesty, I have men. I have men who are with me, and all of them are behind you. Yes! They support your reign. They support this throne. Majesty, all you have to do is confer me with this Onowu title. That is all. And let us pick it up from there. What if also? Tupuru nkita opu n'iro, rapuru ya ogu ya na ndị mmụọ. Your Majesty, do the needful. Give me this title. And then we will sit down, plan, and get you a wife. That's all. Then we'll pick it up from there. Only for us. Nothing else.
Why must you exhume whom the dead is already punishing? There is already a very big mighty stone placed on her coffin. She cannot move. And her spirit is caged due to her iniquities. Just go and bury her brother. But you must be very careful. There are see who charms placed around the king, which that evil Lolo brought from her side, Mbamiri. Do not allow that boy to touch any of you.
If it is like that, we have to fight on. I think defeating that woman will give us rest.
What are we going to do? Eh? Since we've taken care of this woman, whatever is remaining of that illegal king is something we can handle. We have to push him. I have to push him until he takes a stand.
I will give you all an alligator pepper. As you want to go and bury your brother, he will not say anything. But this alligator pepper will shrink whatever the evil woman must have brought from her side. Their aim is already been defeated. As long as the evil woman is gone. But always leave the alligator pepper in your pocket.
Agabaidu, the great masquerade. May the gods of our land keep blessing you.
You see?
We heard everything that you said. We shall obey you. We will no more assume that body. I have one question. What if that fake king, resists the process of that burial? What happens? What do we do?
Good one. He will not put off a fight if he see men like you. But if that occurs, with the alligator pepper in your pocket, push him aside. Do not fight him. Am I understood? As far as I'm concerned, the battle is over. Akama ngugu. Ngugu moye kelie.
Why is she coming to my dream? Why is she always coming to my dream? Is she my mother? I mean, even my late mom has not visited me the way she does. Me, I'm scared though. I'm scared.
But what did she do? To harm you?
No, really. Okay. She cries in pain and always complains that there's something so heavy that she can't move. But why is she coming to me? Why is she visiting me in my dreams? Eh? Do I look like Ezenwai? Do I look like Ezenwai? She should stop coming to me or she should visit the king. It's not me that she should be coming to. But wait. Goma. Are you trying to say that you don't see her in your dreams? Like she has never visited you?
Tofiakwa, she wouldn't dare. Maybe her soul is not resting in peace.
Yes. You are right. You know that woman is not a good woman. She's not a good woman. She imposed the non-royal blood in a kingdom where royalty always come from a true royal blood. And she brought somebody who... Those who came from here and have turned ancestors are not happy with her. That's why she's not resting in peace. See, this is no matter of... Yeah, I'm living here. Because everything around here, even this flower, is scary. Everything here. I'm scared. I'm living here. Don't, it's a modern.
Ichie Udoma. Odogumoki. Ikalese. Where are you going to?
I went to see the great seer.
Okay.
Concerning this issue of exhuming the late Lolo's body. But he warned us that we should not try it.
Oh. I said it. I know that the gods must frown at such behavior. I know. Because such a thing has never been carried out in this kingdom. Never. So, what did the seer say we should do?
You see, Onoma, a lot is wrong in this kingdom. The great seer told me that the gods have refused to speak because we, the elders, have refused to do that which is right. Then I asked him, what did the gods want us to do?
See, in my own opinion, I think we should first look for another eye of the gods that will replace that old fool that connived with the late Agonwa to crown that idiot that has no respect. Then we forcefully get him out of the palace by all means necessary.
Exactly what he said. He said we should do everything within our power to remove him. Oh yes. Well, anyways, let me go home, refresh. When I'm done, I will go see Ichie Okaka.
Ngwano.
It's alright.
We'll see later then.
It's okay.
It's your Udoma. It's your Udoma. You got off, ma.
It's alright. See you then.
Why are you taking your bag to?
I want to sincerely appreciate all of you for the safety you offered me and the release of my mother and my sister from the palace cell. I also want to appreciate all of you for all your efforts to free our kingdom. Thank you so much for the money you gave to me. I want to go and join my mother so that I will look for something else I'll be doing.
Yes.
Chidogo, you're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
You're articulated. You're calm. Say,
I am happy myself that you took part of the liberation. It is not every girl that will have the bravery, the strength that you showed. You showed us that you can do it even under pressure. And we are happy with you. We are grateful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's good. Chidogo. Well, we're not going to stop you from seeing your mother or staying with her. But just know that you're part of us. We are family. Chiamaka is your sister. And we are hoping that the gods will help us to restore this kingdom to what it used to be. You're always good. Continue to be good. My brother here, Former, when you're ready, you let us know so that we'll ask for her the marriage. I noticed how you said she's good, she's beautiful and all that. So, Former, we are waiting.
Take care of yourself.
Because your mother.
Okay.
Former. So, we are not waiting for you.
What you are saying now is that the ball is in my court. So
Exactly.
Man, I have a magic with it.
You are welcome once more. We will go to that palace and tell him what we intend to do. If he fails to leave the palace in 7 market days, everybody is blaming us that we couldn't do what we are supposed to do. Imagine Onunganga, the great seer from Umuizo, said the same thing.
Especially when it has to be Ichie Udoma, who said he will never step his foot in a Dibia's house that went to see him. I think he must have changed his mind.
I think he must have changed. He must have changed. Onunganga is a seer. Nagbafa, but not a Dibia. Nameruani. His divinations are always known to be true.
Ah.
Oh yes. Then if that is the case, did he tell you whether the king will step down on the throne or he will not? No, he didn't say much. He only said we did not do what we are supposed to do. That was all he said. You see? You see? You see why the gods remain silent and not performing? You see? I will personally go to that palace and deliver this message to him directly. He is not our king.
At all. At all.
I see no reason why he is still there in the palace. Why won't the gods be silent and not performing?
It's okay. It's a very good one.
Whoop.
Good morning, Chief.
Yeah, good morning. Where are all the people working in this palace?
They have all left.
Does it mean you are the only person in the entire palace?
No, we are only 2 remaining.
Are you from Akawa Kingdom?
No, I'm from Nato.
The other person, where is she from?
She's from Akawa here.
From Akawa here?
Yes.
Go and call her for me.
Okay.
Now.
Yes.
Quickly.
Yes.
What are you still doing in this palace when others have gone? They have left.
She begged me to stay. Hence, it's only the king remaining. So we don't leave him alone. this morning I told her that I was going to leave, that I was no longer comfortable staying here. But she asked me to stay.
No son or daughter of Akawa is supposed to be seen within this palace. The king is not here, so nobody should be here. You heard what I said? What part of Akawa are you from? And who is your father?
I'm from Udenu village. From Wakude family.
Wakude family. Go and pack your things and leave immediately. You heard what I said? Yes. Go home. I will send for you when we finish what we want to do in this palace. You heard what I said? Yes. And you too. Pack and leave.
Yes, sir. Because
if you don't, what will happen to you will be more than you and your family.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to come back here and see you people here. What are you still doing in this palace? Who is your father? Who is your mother? This palace has been taken away. And this stool you are sitting on is no longer yours. You have 7 market days to live here. Or we shall come for you. Enough is enough.
Okaka, what you are talking is absolute rubbish. Arrant nonsense. Bonkomic bonkom. That is what you are talking. Who are you? No, who do you think you are, Okaka? Let me tell you. He has every right to sit on this throne. And I am talking as the owner of this kingdom. Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh no.
Eh?
Oh no. Are you a drunkard? You are drunk? No. Yes. Who made you an no? Okafor. Okafor. We shall come for all of you. Stay here and wait.
Get out of here. Will you get out of here? Look at you. Look at you. Who gave you that red cap you're putting on? Eh? Eh? Look at him.
Where are these girls? Where are these girls? Have they gone? Eh? Good morning. Where is she?
She has left.
And you, what are you still doing here?
My clothes are wet. So as soon as they dry up, I will leave. But my village is far, and I've not received my salary.
He that fights for what does not belong to him, we surely tire one day. Makanifa utaloneze, ode jua for manja.
Thank you, sir.
You prefer evil.
Carry your things and go. You heard what I said?
Yes, sir.
If I come back and see any of you, you are gone.
Yes, sir.
You destroy futures. There is an eye watching you from afar.
Well, I think that's what we will do. We'll plan for Gwabata's burial. We'll name it Last Ofala Festival of a King. Gwabata was a king, so we need to accord him that respect. Nobody should stop us from doing that. Gwabata was never a king. Let us not just do something now that will bring issues. See, our duty is to go there and take over the royal seat. And not do something that people will begin, before you know it, people will now start talking ill about us. And I wouldn't want a situation where we attach Last Ofala, king, to Ugabata's burial ceremony. It will not work. Ugabata was never a king. He was just a prince.
Okay. If you're seeing it like this, that means you will not be fighting for something meaningful. All this why? Also, your blood is always hot. Calm down. See, let us go there and remove that boy from that seat. Because he was crowned illegally. Because that boy was adopted. See, that because he was adopted as a child, that gives him the right of his son. That's what I'm trying to let you know. What are you talking about? What are you even saying? I hope you are not saying this thing aside. Huh? What type of human being are you? Yes. What right has someone who is not part of your family has? What right? Is he the king's son? No. Born by the king's wife? No. Extended family of the king? No. So what are you insinuating? What I'm insinuating is this. Now listen very attentively. According to law, if someone was officially adopted into any family, that person becomes a bona fide member of that family. The only difference is that in a situation where, of course, tradition, culture differs. Do you understand me? Tradition and culture differ. So, in some situations, that person might not become the king or a king in that community where he was adopted into. Do you understand me? Because of the differences in culture and tradition. But as for becoming a bona fide member of that family or where he comes from, wherever he was adopted into, that it is, you can't even touch that. Which law are you talking about? Huh? Is it our tradition? Which law are you talking about? That a borrowed blood will now come here and become the king? What are you even saying? What I'm saying is very simple. You ask me what I'm saying. I say when you adopt somebody, that person becomes a member of that family. The only difference is that in the case of this idiot, what do you want to do? We need to remove him. Because he went there, he became a king illegally. He was not supposed to be a king. I'm talking about the borrowed blood. I'm talking about Ugabata. Ugabata was a king. No. Ugabata was supposed to be a king, but he was never a king. He died before being crowned as a king. That's what I'm trying to tell you. For the fact that he was a prince before he died, he remained, his corpse or whatever, his status quo remains a king, a prince. So he should be celebrated, he should be buried like a prince and not a king. I am telling you, see, people will come here, people will start talking nonsense about us.
Are you sure Ichioka didn't come here to give him something to drink when I was not around? Something is wrong somewhere. I would must never be a part of that rubbish. I can never have a brother like that. He must go back to where he was adopted from. Yes, I put my life on the line. Rubbish.
Honestly, that's the best thing. Why are you doing hand like this? I was on the. We never seen hand up for what?
Onyechi madinala, ojikwo weya. Onyechi watakele nala, oweya kona tafufu. Onyechi madibeya, ojikwo weya. Onyechi watakele nala, oweya kona tafufu. Yamala malu wabu. Ifonye cholo konga fone noa. Okilikili kana buku ese ade alienu. Kilikili kana kili ododo. Ejiri ododo ni yosu mancha. Watabu ni ena yenu. Ayochi ya. 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 Olugo mwekele mwaji aba. Olugo mwacho mwaji aba. Olugo mwekele mwaji aba. Olugo mwacho mwaji aba. He that fights for what does not belong to him will surely tire. One day.
What is happening? Why is everywhere open? From the gate, these two doors up to this place is open. Are you not scared?
I'm not scared. I have never been scared. I'm a man. Anything that wants to happen, let it happen. I'll be here to witness it. Everybody is gone. The woman who brought me here is gone. All my workers, servants, maids, guards, all gone. I'm only here with men and women buried in the palace vaults.
Your Majesty, I don't know why you sound so despondent. But I have assured you before, we can fight for this mantle. We already have it. We shall win. Nothing is happening. Nothing.
Do you have children, Ichie?
Yes, I have children.
How many?
I have 6 children, Your Majesty. Why do you ask?
Are they together or scattered?
Of course they're together. They're together, happily. Your Majesty, I don't understand why you're asking me these questions.
Why do you keep advising me to continue fighting the entire village?
A man has to be a man. Stand on your feet and fight for that which belongs to you. Why would the man chicken out? For what? No, it's not done anywhere. Your Majesty, let me tell you something. The fire which is put on the palms of the child does not harm the child. Stand your ground, Gidigba. Bachiri, that is what a man does.
Ichie, this has nothing to do with bravery. It has nothing to do with chickening out. Let me ask you a question. If you adopt a child, then you end up having your own children. Are you going to maintain that the adopted child be seen as the first child?
Your Majesty, I'm not going to answer that question. I will not. But I'll be on my way. I'll see you later.
What? Are you serious? King, AGUIKE is calling me.
AGUIKE kwa?
Yes. Why is he calling me? What for? I've left the palace. I even ran for my dear life. I didn't even bother to collect my salary. Why is he calling me now?
If he calls again, please pick the call. It might be other maidens that wants to speak with you. Never can tell.
He's calling again. Hello? Your Majesty.
Yes, Chidiogo, how are you?
I am fine.
I want to see you.
You want to see me? How? I thought you have released my mother and my sister. Why do you want to see me? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the death of your mother.
I'm really sorry for everything. I will not come and see you. I will not come to the palace.
I understand your position. But my mother is dead and gone. She's already buried. As for me, I have forgiven you. But I want to see you. It's important. If you don't feel safe, you can come here with someone. I promise you, you will not be harmed. I want to see you.
Okay, Your Majesty. I'll get back to you. He said you want to see me, oh.
Go and see him now. I'm sure it's not for the other issue. There might be something wrong. The little I know about Obiefuna, he cannot hurt anybody. Yes, he's not capable of hurting anybody. He was just being corrupted by his mother.
Is Obiefuna his name?
Yes, that's his name. Oh, is it because people are addressing him with my father's title? AGUIKE, one of Akawa. That's his name on them.
Chamaka, if I'm to go there, we will go together.
Onye, Muma, hey, please, oh. Do you want my brothers to cut off my neck? I'm not going anywhere with you, oh. Don't worry, don't be scared. We will not do anything to you. That I'm sure of. What do you do?
If eventually the people push him out of this community,
Yes.
please, what will become of him?
I need to understand why you are asking all these questions.
You know, my father has always, in fact, when my father was alive, he had always known that boy as his son.
Okay.
I'm sure my father did not even know that that boy was adopted. You understand? So he has always seen him as his son, as his blood.
Yes.
And when my father died, you understand? Even though this woman tried so much, she played the first one on my dad when he was still alive, you know, to make him look like that was his son, even though she adopted him. But when my father died, this woman did everything to make sure that that boy becomes the king. Even though the elders revolted, regardless of what happened, she insisted that that boy becomes the king. And now there is plan to push that same person, this boy, now that the mother is dead, there is plan to push him out of the community. In fact, they've given him 7 market days to vacate the palace. And if he stays, as who? Is he staying as who? You know?
Listen to me. That question is very big for me. Most importantly, let us free the royal house first. And when we get to that bridge, we will cross it. Then other things can follow. But let me ask you, why are you asking all these questions?
Uncle, the reason is just simple. Because I want to know if he's staying, then that means we'll be ready to, you know, get him a place. And he's already bearing our father's name, I mean the royal son name. And that thing is a thing of concern. You know, as far as I'm concerned, it's a thing of concern. It worries me.
Okay. I think I will look into that. I will look into that.
When the evil is on the throne, when the evil people are on the throne, when the evil is on the throne, Hanagine febuo mado, Makanadi fanobara, Fanagine fe mechalaluo, Makanadi
See, Just stay here and wait for me. But please, if you did not see me, come inside. Or better still, start shouting. Oh. You understand?
But please, be fast. Chidogo, be really fast, please. I need to leave here. I'm not comfortable staying here at all.
Okay, no problems. I will not waste time.
Test you with my phone.
Nowhere to go. They are stronger than me. Oh, Fadini bo dino ibo. Fajalu bendi bo. Alele mwebo munchimo. Alele mwebo ewabo. When the evil is on the throne, when the evil people...
Let me start by apologizing for what I did to your mother and your sister. It's obvious I did it at that time because I didn't know better. I'm sorry.
There's no problem, Your Highness.
I understand that when you ran away from this palace, you went to live with Ikeka and Uzondo.
Yes, Your Highness.
I would like to see them. I know they may not want to see me because a lot has transpired between us. But that's why I called you. I want to see them.
Your Highness, Chamaka is the only daughter of the king. I will talk to her. She will talk to her brothers. With her, I know everything will be settled. She will talk to her brothers. She can as well bring her brothers to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Highness. I will be on my way now. Thank you, Your Highness. He wants to make peace with all of you. He's tired. He asked me to tell all of you to come and take your throne back. He now understands that life is nothing without brothers. Please, see him, understand him, and let everything be bygone.
We should let everything be bygone. Oh, now he knows, he understands that we are brothers. Why? Because he knows that he now stands alone? Or because his mother who imposed him on us is no more? See, and he must bring it down. And this is the point. He should just allow the 7 days ultimatum to elapse. He will see it. Anyways, we are not going to kill him. We won't. The best thing for him is to leave this kingship and find his way.
Find his way?
Yes, find his way. Is he your brother?
Sorry.
You are the only daughter of the king. I called you here because I want you to help me talk to your brothers. I know if I talk to them, they may not listen to me, and that's because we have a history. So, I need you to help me talk to them. Tell them I want to have a meeting with them. Tell them it's important. We have something serious to discuss.
I have heard, but my brother Uzondo is the problem. I'll work something out. I'll try my best.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll be on our way now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chiamaka, you cannot go and listen to that criminal, that killer, that impostor. You cannot listen to his lies, watch his crocodile tears. And you come here to be telling me rubbish. He does not belong here. Whose brother is he? Yours or mine? Huh?
Brother, Obiefuna has been with us in this palace. We have been seeing ourselves as the king's children from different mother. Yes, he made a mistake. His life has torn in several ways. Please, let's forgive him. And let's live as one family. Where do you want him to go to, brother?
Oh, because he didn't kill all of us. Because he didn't kill me. That guy desecrated the royal throne. He has to go. Doesn't belong here. The fight was for him to leave our father's throne. And now he has vacated the throne and asked us to come and take it back. So I don't see any reason why you should just, why we should allow him to go like that, just like that. I mean, we should just allow him, maybe just ask him to come in and become one of us. Where? To stay where? No way. It can't happen. Who killed your brother, Guabata? Saint Ikeka, who killed your brother? Sister Chiamaka, Onome Eliza, who killed your brother? Isaiah just talking rubbish. Yeah, you bring him, you can't stay. Stay where?
Was
no, but he will not come around here.
Was he the one that killed our brother?
Okay, who killed your brother?
The mother did.
The mother?
Yes.
Okay, the mother and the son, they are not the same.
No.
He's an accomplice. He's an accomplice. You don't know.
I am telling you, I don't think he was involved in it.
Okay, go and carry him and rent a place for him and stay with him. Since you want him.
I have always known that Lolo Agunwa has been the problem in this palace. Ever since the king died. That young boy has been finding a way to make peace with the real owners of the throne.
Apart from this royal imbroglio, who is the first son of the king?
Guabata is now. Even though this Obiefuna was brought into the palace first as a child, but traditionally, the first son that came out from the king's scrotum is Uguabata. You understand it now?
What then happens to this Obiefuna now that he hands off the throne?
He still remains the king's son, but not biologically. You understand? In the 10th generation, he can never be king. None of his offsprings can ever be related to royalty. But reason men marry, and even if they cannot give birth to a child, they know what to do. Just that these days civilization and westernization has crept in, and men have turned into zombies, doing anyhow.
Everything scattered.
Uguabata is.
Thank you. Thank you. Today is a great day in Akawa kingdom. A day we have come to the end of the royal tussle. Brothers at war, friends at war. In fact, the royal home will come back to life again. We shall crown our new Igwe. We know the person to be crowned. Ufoma here will replace his late father as the new Ono Have I spoken your minds, people of Akawa?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'm happy about this reconciliation. If I have wronged anybody here, please forgive me. I'm sorry. I don't think anybody would blame me. I was only doing what I felt was right. As a man, it's a taboo for you to sit down and allow anybody take what you believe is rightfully yours. No man should allow that. And that's why I kept on fighting. But sadly, what I was fighting for is not mine. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense if I keep fighting. It doesn't make sense holding this kingdom to ransom, stopping the kingdom from progressing. It doesn't make sense Ugwabata's body remaining in the mortuary, all because of someone's selfish interest. So I say let the kingdom move forward. Let there be a new king. And of course, congratulations to the new Ono. I wish you the very best. As we all know, the late king had properties. They're all intact. The documents are here. All safe. As for me, I'll be returning to the UK. Let me continue my life over there. It's obvious I don't belong here. But I wish you all the best. I pray the gods should protect everybody here. Best wishes.
My brother, you're not going anywhere. You belong here. We have been sharing the same surname as long as I have known you. In fact, it is now that I know that you have a pure heart. Like I said, you're not going anywhere. You stay with us. You belong here. We share the same trait. Stay the same lineage. No matter what happened. We want you. We live together as a family. So, please sit down. We share the same heart, the same trait. Akwayami? Yes, that's true. You are not one of us. Stay with us. What?
Oh,
Thank you, brother. As it is woman to forgive.
Nah.
Chabaga, are you supposed?
Hey, Sulugade bukwe mo iga pawukweli. Oboro wadi bi bwagana bwoko kobisi. Ona nuba ifo mo ne kuebe. Mama bubu kwanu kumo. Wobojo chanuzo alili waboya kalimano mabu